In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suica card in Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Suica card is an incredibly convenient prepaid IC card that makes traveling and making small purchases in Japan seamless. It is a must-have not only for natives but also visitors. So first, if you are going to be acquiring a Suica card, it is recommended to do it digitally through a wallet such as the Apple Wallet. You can find physical Suica cards available, but for this video I'm going to be covering the digital option first. So to acquire a digital Suica, open the Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign, and choose the option to add a transit card. When you go to transit cards, you will see all of the cards available in that region, including Suica. So all that you have to do is select it here. When you add a Suica card through the Apple Wallet, you will be prompted to add balance to that card, so you can use the preset amounts presented here or type a custom one. You will see all of the payment methods attributed to your Apple Wallet and choose how you want to add this amount of balance. Once this is done, you can tap Add and the Suica card will be manageable through the Apple Wallet. You will see the current balance, you can add more, and you can see all of the transactions that have been issued using this card. And now that it is done, you can physically place your phone near any sort of card reading machine to issue payments. If you want a physical card, there is a special version of the Suica card designed for tourists that does not require a 500 yen deposit. It is going to be valid 28 days from purchase, so look for the Designed for Tourists Suica card. You can find it primarily at major JR East stations in Tokyo, especially at Narita and Haneda airports. Unlike regular Suica, any remaining balance on a welcome Suica is not refundable at the end of its 28-day validity, so try to use up the balance. For a regular physical Suica, due to semiconductor shortages, sales of unregistered standard physical cards were suspended for a while. They should have resumed by now, and these ones will require a 500 yen deposit. They will have a 10-year validity if used once every 10 years, and you can also find them available on all sorts of ticket machines. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Suica card in Japan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.